They see more than what is in front of us. They carry our fears, our struggles, and our dreams. Once we were uncertain, afraid to take the first step. We are afraid to believe in ourselves. But dreams don't wait. They grow quietly inside our hearts. Every word we learn, every lesson we face became a step closer to who we want to be. So start now. Start believing. Start investing in yourself. Because one day, your dreams will no longer be seen through your eyes. They will become your reality.
Good morning, class. Good morning, ma'am. Today we will practice real-life Japanese used in hospitality. Okay, repeat after me. Irashaimase. Irashaimase. Okay, Mr. Joselito, please stand up. Say the word Irashaimase.
Irishaimase.
Okay, remain standing. Miss Laila, do you know what's the meaning of Irashaimase?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Remain standing. Miss Kashmir. Miss Kashmir? May tinatawag ka ni Miss Kashmir.
Ma'am?
Do you know what is the meaning of Irashaimase?
Sorry po, ma'am. Hindi ko po naintindihan yung sinabi niyo.
Kanina pa ako nagsasalita dito. Hindi mo ba naiintindihan yung mga tinuturo ko?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Okay. Sit down. Nakikinig kayong lahat. Ang meaning ng Irashaimase ay welcome. Sabihin nyo nga ano ang meaning ng Irashaimase? Welcome. Say the word, Irashaimase.
Irishaimase.
Okay, sinasabi ko sa inyo na makinig kayong mabuti dahil ang mga tinuturo ko ay magagamit nyo balang araw. Okay, Miss Kashmir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Back then, we didn't realize that simple words could shape our future.
Uy, Bes, okay ka lang? Parang ang lalim ng iniisip ko kanina.
Wala talaga ako naiintindihan.
Gusto mo ba turuan kita?
Pwede?
Pwede naman kung gusto mo.
Sige.
Ito, ipapahiram ko muna sa'yo itong booklet ko. Ito yung ginagamit ko nung inaaral ko ang Japanese bago pa tayo magkaroon ng subject na Nihongo. Kaya gamitin mo muna to. Pwede mo itong aralin sa bahay mo.
Thank you. Susubukan kong aralin.
Anak, bakit ganyan ang mukha mo? Para kang luging-lugi.
Wala po, tay.
Kumain ka na ba?
Mamaya na lang po, nay. May gagawin pa po ako.
Pumasok ka na ba sa loob para makapagpahinga ka?
Sige po.
Wow, Natasha. Ano? Para na ulit yun? Oh, gabing-gabi na nag-aaral ka pa rin.
Opo, nay. Matutulog na rin po ako mamaya.
Matulog ka na mamaya, ha?
Opo, maya-maya lang po.
Tulog ka na dyan. Sige.
Konnichiwa. Watashi wa
Kanina pa ako nagsasalita dito. Hindi mo ba naiintindihan yung mga tinuturo ko?
Konnichiwa. Minasan. Watashi wa Kashmir Guerrero desu. Iju-san. Okay. Nay, tay. Mauna na po ako. Papasok na po ako sa school.
Mag-aral ka na mabuti, anak, ha?
Opo.
Ingat ka.
Sige po.
Okay, sinasabi ko sa inyo na makinig kayong mabuti dahil ang mga tinuturo ko ay magagamit nyo balang araw. Okay, Miss Kashmir?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, class! Good morning, ma'am! Nag-ensayo ba kayo sa inyong pagsasalita ng Nihongo?
Yes, ma'am.
Kashmir, gusto kita
Pwede mo ba kami ipakitaan? Sige po. Dito ka sa harap. Konnichiwa minasan, watashi wa namae wa Kashmir Guerrero desu. Miju nasai desu. Miju Isai desu. Philippine karakimashita. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, very good. Dito.
There was a time when everything we learned felt like just work inside a classroom. Lessons written on paper, practice for grades, memorized for exams. We repeated them again and again, not knowing when or how they would truly matter. But life has a way of testing us, not with questions, but with real situations. Moments where there are no scripts, no teachers to guide us, only our courage, our choices, and what we've learned. And suddenly, those simple lessons become our voice, our confidence, and our strength. Every greeting we practiced, every mistake we made, every challenge we faced, they were all preparing us for this. Because the real world doesn't ask if you're ready, it simply begins. And now we stand here, not just as students, but as individuals shaped by experience, ready to serve, to communicate, and to understand. This is where learning becomes living. This is where dreams begin to take form. We are no longer just studying the world. We are finally becoming a part of it. Thank you so much, Ma'am Korea, for teaching us Nihongo with your patience and dedications. Your guidance and passion made learning enjoyable and meaningful. We truly appreciate all your efforts. Arigatou gozaimasu!
Konnichiwa, welcome to Mandon City Arena.
Minasan, ohayo gozaimasu. Watashi wa Tokaido Senito desu.
Congratulations!